All right. Okay, so cardinal numbers. Oops. The big thing we're going to be looking at, or the big thing the book looks at, is reviewing all the numbers from 1 to 100. And if we haven't looked at 100 yet, we'll show it's 100, 1C. If you're familiar with your Roman numerals, that makes a lot of sense. Okay, so we will look at the numbers in just a second. But this slide shows the activity they're going to give, which is saying where on the timeline. So, for example, if I give a number and said, so before is to the left, okay? Time flows to the right. So anything, if you go this number after, boom, 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 it'd be 4, 5, right? 4 before would be 3. Right? And then if we did between 3, 5, what? 4, 4. So it's actually pretty simple. It's really their hidden agenda is to look at how we use timelines and orders of events. Like we did rankings on the hand, kind of the same thing. So number before, number after. I should make that bigger. Get rid of, hide that. Okay. So 100, we saw that. Then there are 3 basic questions that are in this, and I just showed it to you. The before, next to, and point to the area. After, point to the area. Or between these two, point to the area. So there's the glossing to show how they're set up. And if you notice, we've been doing, there's a line above and it says like topic. That's where your eyebrows go up because you're setting up a new topic. Or if it goes line to a WH, it's a WH question, eyebrows down. So which number is in between? Which or what? Okay. I'll do it again. So the number review, 1 through 19, we've gone through the numbers, so you've already seen this stuff. He quickly goes through 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 59, 60 to 79, 80 to 100. And then some practice. What number is it? They'll sign a sentence, or they'll sign one of those 3 questions. Ask what number comes before 4. The answer is 3. So this video is the examples. And then I broke it up. There were 27, so I did 3 sets of 9. So the videos each should reflect those 9. So just go through those, and of course I do the answers after each one. And then just to review all of the videos that have been shown in this unit. It really is a simple thing. We've already hit on numbers. As I said before, 4 and 5 are a lot of recapping and just a little bit of added information from what we did in 1, 2, and 3, which 3 was the big, huge one. But that is 412. Short and sweet. Short and sweet. Like my wife. Whatever. I try to be cute and romantic, and it just doesn't work. All right. How do I stop this thing?